Shalom lechulam. It's really good to be here with you all again. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Reut. I'm a Hebrew teacher, and I have more than 10 years of experience teaching for the UK Ministry of Defense, King's College London University, the World Zionist Organization, Ulpans, and more. Today, I have a very special announcement, and I'm very excited to say that starting from mid-October, I'm opening a 10-week online course for complete beginners or for those of you who have little knowledge in Hebrew. We are going to meet for 15 hours in total, so 90 minutes each week for 10 weeks. And in the course, you will get the basic foundations for speaking, listening, reading, and writing in Hebrew. You don't need any prior knowledge, just come as you are. Some of the topics we will cover in the course is how to introduce yourselves, how to ask questions, prepositions, nouns, gender of nouns, and much more. I will also teach you about Jewish traditions, life in Israel, and so on. In order for the group to be efficient, I decided to keep it small, so there are going to be only 6 students in the group. I want the students to have plenty of time to practice, to get personal feedback from me, so only 6 students. If you feel the calling, this is the time. Fill in the information in the link below, in the description box below, and then you will get the information pack to your email. Even if the time doesn't work for you at the moment, it's still good to have your details, and then I can let you know about future classes, future courses. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm looking forward to see 6 of you soon, starting for mid-October. Tomorrow, the Jewish New Year starts, and that's also a really good opportunity to wish you all Shana Tova. Shana Tova means good year, have a good year. Chag Sameach, happy holiday. Chag Sameach. And I wish us all to live in peace and love and kindness and compassion towards each other. We definitely need more of that in the world. So guys, Shana Tova, Chag Sameach, and I'll see 6 of you really, really soon. Looking forward to it. Lehitraot.